Welcome to this particular video. I'll be talking about the Spur Protocol. I believe that you have all heard about the TGE and the listing airdrop distribution that is actually coming up on this particular airdrop that we have been farming. And if you have actually been following this particular project with me, I believe that you should be happy because my community members are all happy because over 75% of them actually qualify for this particular airdrop, and that is the major reason why I need to join my WhatsApp community, because you'll be entitled to latest information about any particular airdrop and any particular cryptocurrency. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, the link will be available in the description and also in the comment section on this video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the notification so you need to enter upload any other new video like this. Thank you. So let's go to the major updates I have for us about the Spur Protocol. So this was an announcement that was made on November 10, as you can see. And look at it, they say official announcement. It say congratulations to the Spur Protocol community. We are officially entering the next phase of our journey. This phase include, now this particular phase that we are going into actually has to do with fundraising, TGE, which is token generational event, and airdrop distribution. That is what will be happening with this particular phase that they were into in this particular roadmap. So they said, kindly update your Spur Protocol app to access all the latest details, including time countdown, key information about this stage. In our continuous effort to enhance value and quality, we have also removed certain features and ads to create a cleaner, more focused experience. So they have actually removed some certain features, but not without. There are still some certain features that you still can use for you to continue learning on your Spur Protocol. So they say, please note, they say the snapshot will take place on December 15. So the snapshot has not actually been taking place. So that's why you can still continue to accumulate your Spur Protocol from now until on 15, which we have about half of a month. Yes, close to a month, giving you enough time to meet at least one qualification criterion. You need to fulfill at least one out of the three to qualify for the airdrop. That is, each criteria is optional. Stay steady, stay active. This is just the beginning of something bigger. So now this is it. Now let me correct this notion. So a lot of people are, before now, I think I did a video on it, thinking Spur Protocol also is out there to scam the community of everything, but now they have actually bought their criteria out, which is 3. But for you to qualify for this airdrop, for you to be eligible, you just need to, because this is not the time for it. So let me come to check eligibility now. A lot of people are checking this one now, which says manage your Spur. So if you tap on it, you could see now it will show me the total number of my Spur now, but you say, congrats, your account is active and eligible for the airdrop. Stay active to keep it eligible. This is not where you have to check your eligibility. No, you are wrong, because I'm seeing a lot of things of a lot of people are actually using that. So if you want to check your eligibility, you have to come to this check eligibility. You tap on it, you will see everything you need to know. So you have to tap here to check your son. This is the name of their token, son allocation. So you say you are doing great, make sure you are active. Being active is one of these, so you don't miss the airdrop. This is the countdown. So we have 37 days, which is a month plus. So this is the number of hour, and that is 19th of December 2025. So the fundraising date is 28 days, which is on 10th, and the airdrop is coming up on the 22nd of December. You see now, you could see mine now. You say you are eligible for the airdrop. Congratulations. And one of the most important thing now is that you can actually fulfill one of these things to get additional 500 son. So this is what actually make me to be eligible, because I've mined over 200,000 Spur Protocol token. So I can do other ones. So if you have any of these that you have not actually meet up, you can actually do the Spur swap with a minimum of $10. You do 10 transactions, you'll be able to notify, get qualified, or you do this one OG. This one actually has to do with about $4 plus with Solana. Then you'll be able to get the POG badge. Then you'll be entitled to a lot of Spur Protocol token. But this is it. Another important thing I want to share with you. When you come to this particular withdrawal, if this particular exchange that was listed will actually be where Spur will be listed. That means Spur will be coming out big. Yes, it will be coming out big, because look at the likes of Binance Wallet, Binance Exchange, Bybit. With this, over 500 million market cap is visible. So let me check my eligibility now. So now this is my eligibility. As at now that I'm doing this video, you could see I have over 3005 Sun token. You say you are eligible. You say thank you, your account has been verified and it is eligible to receive your airdrop. So if I come to this particular claim airdrop, you see say you can claim the airdrop after the countdown. So I'm still waiting for the countdown. That is what we are actually waiting for. So if there's any other news about Black Last Protocol, I'll be sharing with us. Make sure to like, share, click on the bell notification so that anytime I upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.